Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker, then verify it is off with a non-contact tester. This prevents shocks. Next, set a stable ladder under the spotlight and remove any wet towels from the area. You hold the fixture trim steady while you loosen screws or clips. Do one side at a time so nothing drops. Once the trim is free, inspect the socket and bulb type so you know which replacement matches. This avoids buying the wrong part. You now lower the fixture and expose the housing. Do not yank on wires. If there are quick connects, depress the tab and separate them. Otherwise, loosen screw terminals, keeping track of wire positions. Once free, remove the old bulb by turning or pulling per type, compact, halogen, or LED, because sockets differ. Then examine the socket and housing. If you see blackening, brittle insulation, or loose connections, stop and consider replacing the socket. You place the correct new bulb into the socket, ensuring it seats fully. Then reconnect the wiring exactly as it was, matching colors and terminal positions. Resecure the trim and any clips so the fixture sits flush. Once done, turn the breaker back on. Test the light immediately and watch for flicker, odd noise, or burning smell for 1 to 2 minutes. If problems occur, cut power and recheck connections with your tester. Persistent issues mean replace the socket or consult a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.